What's up, my makeup lovers? This is your boy Chris. So I'm actually on my way to Ulta right now. I was trying to order it online and pick it up in the store, but I just decided to go pick it up so I could do a little Ulta haul for you guys. So once I get there, I'm gonna start showing you guys what I have. All right, guys, so we made it to the happiest place in the world, at least for me. So I just want to get some lashes. As you can see, they do have a nice array of lashes here. So I want to get one of these, baby. Maybe this one right here. Heartbreaker. Looks really good. Let's see. So guys, I've been trying to get a new foundation that I really want to try. And I want to try this Urban Decay foundation. This is cruelty-free and vegan. I think this is the matte foundation. Yes, this is the matte one right here. And I kind of want to try one of these. So this is the one I want to get right here, which is the undetectable medium to full coverage. That one is so bomb. I think I want to get that one. And I'm in the shade Nude. Yeah, we're going to grab this, baby. Oh my god, guys, I've been dying to try out this palette. Look how beautiful it is. Obviously, we can't test anything out because of this whole situation, but even the packaging is come on, amazing. But I don't know. I do have already a palette to test out, but this one is looking really pretty. Alright guys, so these are the goodies I have so far in the bag. So I can't really film anymore because I had a call before. But I'm just going to pay for this now. I found the blush I wanted, and then once I get home, I'll show you guys what I bought. Alright guys, so I got my goodies. So I'm gonna go home and then I'm going to film this so you guys can see everything we bought. And I might just do a first impressions of everything I got. So stay tuned to that. Alright guys, so I literally just got home. Not too long ago, I had dinner and I changed a little, just threw a jacket on. I did my makeup really quick for the video. So now we're gonna get into the haul. So guys, this is my bag right here. Yes, she's a chunky monkey today. I've done way bigger bags than this, but I kind of just want to go and buy new makeup to film a first impression. So today's the haul, and then we're gonna have a first impression using all of these products. So with that being said, let's get into the makeup, honey. Alright guys, so starting off, I am uber excited because I've been dying to get this collection. I got the new Lisa Frank Morphe palette that actually I didn't get. My best friend Liz got it for me. This was not part of the haul today, but I just wanted to put it in this video because I will be doing a tutorial with this first impressions, and I went to Ulta, of course, and I actually picked up this. Tell me this is not freaking adorable. So I'm super excited that I actually got the little pair. I went for the brushes, but girl, gone. Have a good day. Was not there. Not even in the back. What's up, Ulta? I did film a reel, those 15-30 second videos on my Instagram, which I'm gonna put here somewhere around this screen. So definitely follow me there, and then you get to see the video that I created using this palette for the first time. Some simple little rainbow look, but I will be doing, like I said, a full tutorial using this these items plus this palette, because when I tell you Morphe and Lisa Frank, honey, both of y'all did that. I think this collection is so bomb. If you are from back in the day, honey, you know Lisa Frank, you know these folders. Everybody in their mama, grandmother, granddaughter, all of us had these folders. They were a definite staple. So like I said, I'm super excited to have these and try them out. This packaging for the sponges is really cute, and that's, oh, I had it upside down, I think. That's one thing I do want to say when it comes to this collection with Morphe and Lisa Frank. They did it. She really did, because this doesn't look like any other Morphe palette. Doesn't look like any other Morphe collaboration. This literally screams Lisa Frank, and that's what I love about it. Because some of these, some of these collections be looking just like a regular Morphe palette. Have a good day, but this is totally different, which I am in love. So like I said, I will be using these sponges with the tutorial as well. So I'm excited. I never used Morphe sponges before. So this is This is exciting. So then, of course, you know, I had to walk my way to Milani because, you know, Milani's my girl. Milani is that girl. Milani's my favorite. Can't nobody say nothing to me about Milani. She my best friend. But I picked up 4 items. So I actually picked up the Staple Brow Pomade. This is what it looks like. Love this pomade. If you guys see my past videos, which I'll link around this video, you guys know that I really do like this pomade. I'm actually wearing it today with a little bit of the e.l.f. brow mascara thingy. But this is really good. It's waxy. It really sticks to your brow. And I love it. The fact that it comes with a brush, I mean, come on. It's dope. And the brush is actually really good too. I also got a new lip liner. This is the Easy Retractable Pencil from Milani, and this is in the shade So Natural, I think. Most Natural. I've really been loving a neutral lip. I have a couple neutral lipsticks. The Seriously Satin from e.l.f. is really, hands down, one of my favorites so far. So I'm excited to use this and do more lips. Because, you know, I'm getting into the lips, honey. I'm getting, just give me something, you know what I'm saying? I don't know about color yet, but definitely nude lips has been really giving me life. Also from Milani, I got their clear brow gel. This is what it looks like. I've had a clear brow gel from LA Colors. It's really good. Unfortunately, it ran out. So I wanted to get one from Milani because I also want to film a full face of Milani's. So if that's something that you want to see, definitely comment down below and let me know. And give me like a thumbs up on the video. I will know that you guys really want a full face of Milani. I've been gravitating to clear gel more just because tinted brows on top of pomade, I think it looks way too thicker-ish, the eyebrow. I have some tinted brow today just because my brows got a little powdery when I finished this face. But I've been really gravitating to like a more natural looking brow. So I'm excited to use this. And then I got a brand new eyebrow pencil. Yes, it's an obsession, I think, already. I'm obsessed with trying new brow products, especially pencils. So this is the Precise Brow Pencil from Milani, of course. And this shade is in Ebony. I was looking for like a brown, but hopefully this is not too black. If it is, I'll make it work. But I'm excited to use this. I hope it's really good. It says smooth texture and it's really high pigmented. I cannot wait to try this. Like, this looks really good. And you know, Milani never lets me down, honey, ever. So then I was looking for a new setting powder. I do have Laura Mercier powder. I also have the e.l.f. HD powder. If you guys don't know, it's one of my favorites so far. I literally be using it every single day that I do my makeup. But I wanted to pick up a new one. So I went in with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic powder. This is what it looks like. And this is in the shade, I think this is translucent. I've never used NYX products before. I do have a lip pencil, but, oh, and the waterproof primer, eye primer, which is the best. But I wanted to try some face products, so I went in with this powder. Hopefully it's good. I will be using it in the impressions video, so definitely stay tuned for that. And then after NYX, I went over to little Miss e.l.f. Because, you know, e.l.f. is popping too. Don't sleep. So I went and got a Total Face sponge from e.l.f. My favorite sponge. Best sponge in the entire world. If you haven't tried it, definitely go try it. It's only $5. This bomb. Highly suggested. So then I bought a primer infused blush and a primer infused bronzer. So this is what the blush looks like. And this is in the shade Always Rosy. I wanted a new blush. I have a couple blushes, but you can never have too much blush. So this is what it looks like right here. I think it'll give you like a nice flush to your cheeks. So I'm excited to use this. Also have the primer infused bronzer, and this is in the shade Forever Sunkissed. Now this shade in the bronzer I do like a lot. It reminds me of the bronzer from Milani that I have. But this is really cute. It's also primer infused. Like I said, I never tried this, so I'm actually excited to try some new e.l.f. products. Alright, so for lashes, I was looking around Maybelline just to see if they have new lashes, or even Milani, of course. But the one that I seen from Milani was like a purple one, and I was like, I don't really want a purple one. So I went in with the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. And this one I actually got from one of the YouTubers that I watch. Her name is Juicy Jazz. Definitely had to, you know, check it out. It's supposed to be really, really good. I think they rated like almost 5 stars. And this was only $5. $5, like you can't go wrong with that. So I'm excited to use this and see how it works with my little lashes. And then for complexion, honey, when I tell you I love drugstore foundation, Elf, Milani, Wet n Wild, Maybelline foundation, but I decided to go into the realm again of high-end complexion. I do have a high-end foundation. It's from Lorac. It's not my favorite, but it's decent. It's not bad. I just don't favor it too much. So this one, actually, I've been dying. When I tell you I've been dying, there's another YouTuber that I watch. Her name is Jackie Aina, and she loves this foundation, all that good stuff. But I had to try it out for myself. So this is a Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is what the packaging looks like. It's kind of heavy. It's really, I love the packaging. I never tried Too Faced anything. So I'm excited because this is supposed to be really good for oily skin, which that's me. So I'm really, really excited to try something different when it comes to foundation, especially high-end, that I think I'm like 100% sure that I'm gonna love it, but I cannot wait to try this on. And I am in this shade Nude, just in case you guys wanted to know. And this one was $40 at Ulta. So for concealer, I was looking around. I wanted to get the, I guess, the sister of this and get the Too Faced multi-sculpting concealer. But I went right back to the other side, and this is another concealer, or just in general, another brand that I actually wanted to try. This is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm gonna open it for you guys. And I chose the shade Concealer number 19. This is what it looks like. Beautiful packaging. I love the packaging. It's really big and bulky. Let me see. Ooh, okay. Applicator reminds me of the e.l.f. applicator. Wow, this smells just like e.l.f. Flawless Foundation. So this is supposed to be like stupid full coverage. So we're gonna see that. We're gonna see what's up. And then for the last 2 little items, I went in with lashes. I wanted to buy new lashes. I love Kids lashes. I love Ardell, Eylure. Those are my favorite brands that I actually tend to buy all the time. But I wanted to go again into the realm of high-end, and I went to Tarte. They were actually suggested by an Ulta employee, so I got 2 of them, and they're actually vegan, which I'm super glad about that. So these, this is the Tarte High Performance Natural Vegan Lashes, and this is in the style Goddess. Sorry. This is what it looks like. Sorry for the glare. Really cute. And then I got the other one is called Wifey. This one's a little bit more dramatic. When I was shopping for these, I wanted something in the luxury side. I personally can see myself paying $26 for Lily lashes. A lot of people that I know suggested, oh, try Lily lashes, the Miami, everybody wears them, blah blah. I know, I personally seen them, never wore them, but I just didn't see myself paying $26. Like, honey, that's a lot of money for one pair of lash. Like, these were $12 a piece, $24. So I got 2 for the price of 1 Lily lash. Would they perform the same? I don't know, because I never tried either. But these look so good, and they look really high end, like really, really expensive. So I'm actually excited to try these out. So if these are good, I might actually go and buy some more, because they have an array of lashes, like an array of styles. So they have like really subtle ones, and then they have super dramatic. I think these are like in between, so this is why I got these. So that's basically my entire little Ulta haul. I am again super excited to try these out. I will be doing a full impressions video after this video is up. I'm gonna film the first impression using all these products, and then anything that I am missing, I'll just add it in with whatever I got here. But overall, it's kind of almost a full face, kind of. So I, again, Cannot wait to film this video for you guys, because it's gonna be really, really good. Also, I kind of wanted to tell you guys what I actually created today. It's really simple. I actually just put some bronzer on my eyelids. I went in with the LA Color bronzer and Beach Babe, and then I took some Stila magnetic eyeshadow in the shade Wanderlust, and I kind of rubbed it on my finger and just like tapped on the glitter. The liner is from NARS. The foundation is Maybelline Matte Fit Me Poreless. I'm in the shade 125. And then highlighter is Milani. Contour is L. Bronzer is also Milani. You already know Milani's my girl. I keep telling you guys, Milani's my girl. These lashes are the triple push-up lashes from Kiss in the style Teddy. And then my eyebrows, of course, I have the pomade from Milani, and I outlined them with the Ultra Precise pencil from e.l.f. and also the e.l.f. tinted brow mascara. And that's how I created this face. This is something I wear every single day, literally. I love putting blush or bronzer on the crease and having a nice day. I add a little glitter just for like a little you cute or whatever. But again, guys, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I'm not even playing, girl. I really do appreciate it. I'm dead serious. But if you haven't, definitely consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell, baby, so you would never miss a video. Come on, you don't want to miss a video. I wouldn't want to miss one of my videos, so why would you want to miss your videos? But seriously, guys, come join the family. The more the merrier. Let's just play and makeup together and learn makeup together as well. Why not? Thank you so much for being here with me. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.